Want to know how to make AgentGPT turn a specific list into a table? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So we have also created simple videos on how to use AgentGPT, how to log in, and etc. So make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So once you're here on the home page, you should be under your name and your code. So what you need to do is you need to just simply type in a name of your agent. And now on the goals, just simply type in this prompt right here. Now just simply type in the list that you want alert and then select run. So once your code starts to run, as you can see right here, it should execute step by step, and after a while it will give you a specific table that you can copy, as you can see right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.